In a time when smartphones have become increasingly similar, HUAWEI has found a way to make the P30 Pro stand out. It gave it superpowers. The new flagship's ability to see in the dark is uncanny, its optical zoom is amazing, its stamina is out of this world. The HUAWEI P30 Pro does feel in many ways like the superhero of the smartphone world. But all superheroes have their weaknesses. And are its camera capabilities as good as the hype? Would have you believe? Should the uncertainty around updates stop you from buying one? The P30 Pro is HUAWEI's photography-focused flagship, competing against the spring batch of Android flagships, chiefly Samsung's Galaxy S10 Plus. HUAWEI has positioned the P series as the premier camera phones on the market. But make no mistake, the P30 Pro is no niche device targeted only at enthusiast photographers. Everything about the P30 Pro is designed to appeal to mainstream users, from the eye-catching colorways to the impressive battery life and top-tier specs. HUAWEI P30 Pro takes the best bits of the Mate 20 Pro and adds a terrific camera. Before I started doing this review, I used a Mate 20 Pro as my daily driver, and the transition between the handsets has been seamless. HUAWEI P30 Pro smartphone is a very impressive piece of kit. It has a gorgeous dual-curved design on the front and back that makes the mammoth 6.47-inch OLED display almost manageable in one hand. And while it doesn't match the Galaxy S10 or iPhone XS in terms of fit and finish, there's no doubt this is a well-made smartphone. There's also improved battery life, IP68 water and dust resistance, reverse wireless charging, a faster and more accurate in-display fingerprint scanner, the flagship Kirin 980 chipset, more case colors than before, and more.